it's important to note that this is one of in excess of 100 similar size projects that the National Water Commission and Rural Water Supply Limited have taken on, between $5 million in some cases to $80 million in others, that are small systems, but systems that transform the lives of residents. And when we do give our word, we will stick to it. And Fantiland is in our budget, which comes up for reading this week, Prime Minister. So we assure residents of the area that this was step one, Fantiland step two.
Jamaica must be green.
I came here last year to witness the laying of the pipes and the beginning of works for the development of this massive water production facility, a well, 2 wells, and pumping station. It would have been an unfair thing to move water from this community to send it to another community without providing this community with access to their precious commodity. So I'm very pleased to be able now to say that the people of Runnit will have their own water supply. So let me run it. Run it. And in a big run. Big run.